How to change phone number in TikTok without OTP. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, select the Settings and Privacy option and then tap on the Account option under the Account tab. You will then see the Account Information option. Tap on that and then tap on the Phone Number option you see there. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the Change Phone option, and with this, you will be led to the interface from where you can change your phone number. So, tap on the Try Another Method option there since you do not have your phone number, and you will see the password option there. So, select the Change Via Password as an option and then tap on it. You will then be required to enter your account's password. So go ahead and enter your account password and tap on the Continue button, and with this, you will be prompted to change your phone number. So go ahead and add in the phone number that you want to change your phone number into and tap on the Continue button. Verify if required, and with this, your phone number will be changed. So this is how you can change phone number in TikTok without OTP. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.